We're at the Bendricks. It's the we're not exactly sure if the sea is coming in, but it looks like it is. You got an Ankylosaurus footprint. It's absolutely clear. It is so clear. You've got all the digits there. This is the clearest one I've actually ever seen along this coastline. I've been looking at these dinosaur footprints for quite some time. And this little girl, Lily. Hello, Lily.
Yeah.
You got the camera there. What do you think about finding that little footprint over there?
That was good, Daddy and I.
It's brilliant, isn't it? Look at that. Excellent. What do you feel, Daddy, Richard?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Not the sort of thing you see that often, I guess.
No, it's not.
I was a bit shocked when I first saw it, but it's so clear. I was surprised whether it was real or not. But
do you know what the confession was? I actually thought it wasn't real when I first saw it.
yeah,
Now that is just absolutely amazing. That.
hopefully the sea doesn't come in more and wash it away.
I think the sea is coming in, but the museum will probably cut around that and take that out. That'll be great. So the Ankylosaurus that actually comes from dates from around 205 million years ago, in a period known as the Triassic period. And these are small animals, and they were the baby ones were about your size. They were actually your size. The baby Ankylosaurus, they were your size, and the big ones were bigger than your mummy. They were much bigger than your mummy. So that is absolutely amazing. So finally, what do you feel about that? Your name's on it.
Well, knowing there is actually a real footprint is pretty cool. You say, I doubt there's many people who found one.
There isn't, and it was thought that in last year in Penarth that they thought they found this really nice footprint there. I looked at the images and it was nothing to see, but that there, just one sort of last image of that is our Ankylosaurus footprint. Is absolutely amazing. Anyway, this is KARL-JAMES Langford reporting at an unknown location. Thank you very much.